let's dive into some key money guidelines that can help you achieve the financial freedom you truly deserve. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. Today, we'll talk about 10 financial rules that can definitely steer you towards the financial freedom you deserve. Before we dive in, we want to express our gratitude for your support of Luxo-Life. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and spread the word to help us reach a broader audience. Thanks! Let's begin. Number 10. Earn before you burn. Imagine your money as a campfire. To keep it burning, you need to gather the firewood first. In the world of finances, the firewood is the cash you've earned through your hard work. So before you can think about enjoying the warmth of that fire or spending your money, you've got to gather the wood or earn the money and build a sturdy foundation. It's like saying, let's wait until we've collected enough firewood, then we can have a cozy campfire without worrying about it going out too soon. Earn before you burn is a friendly reminder that we should be mindful of our spending. It means you should work and earn your money before you start spending it. This principle encourages responsible financial habits like budgeting and saving so that you don't find yourself in a situation where you're spending money you don't yet have. It's all about maintaining a healthy financial campfire, ensuring you've got a solid foundation of earnings to keep your financial flame burning bright. Number 9. Live below your dough. Now that we've grasped the concept of earn before you burn, let's shift our focus to live below your dough. Picture your finances as a delicious pizza. You've worked hard to earn that pizza, but you don't want to gobble up the whole thing in one go. That's where living below your dough comes in. It's about enjoying a slice of that pizza while making sure you save some for later. Live below your dough encourages responsible spending. It means you should aim to spend less than what you earn, ensuring you have some leftovers, just like you'd save a slice or two of pizza for later. This practice is like putting some cash aside for future needs and goals, whether it's for a rainy day, a big purchase, or your retirement. It's a practical way to balance enjoying your money today while securing a portion of your financial future. Number 8. Cash can't change your dash. Continuing from live below your dough, let's explore the idea that cash can't change your dash. Imagine your life as a race, and money is the pit stop. When you come into some cash, it can give you a temporary boost, like refueling your car at the pit stop. However, it doesn't magically change your driving skills or your determination to win the race. Cash can't change your dash is a reminder that money is a tool but not the driver of your life. It's important to stay true to your goals and values and not rely solely on money to steer your course. While money can provide opportunities and make things more comfortable, it's your ambition, skills, and choices that determine the direction of your life's journey. So use your financial pit stops wisely to maintain and improve your race. But remember that the true success of your dash depends on you. Number 7. Times your prime dime. Building upon cash can't change your dash, let's dive into the notion that times your prime dime. Imagine time as a valuable coin, and how you spend it has a huge impact on your life's balance sheet. In the realm of personal finance, it's not just about managing your money, it's equally important to manage your time wisely. Times your prime dime is a friendly nudge to remind you that the hours and days you invest in various aspects of your life are just as valuable as any dollar. Much like a wise investor seeks a good return on their money, a savvy individual aims for a fulfilling and balanced life through the efficient use of their time. Whether you're building your career, nurturing relationships, or pursuing hobbies, how you allocate your time matters. Number 6. The more you learn, the more you can earn. The more you learn, the more you can earn is a reminder that education, both formal and informal, can be a significant factor in financial success. Just like a toolbox filled with various tools, your knowledge and skills are your tools for navigating the world and your career effectively. Indeed, gaining new expertise can open doors to better opportunities, promotions, and higher-paying jobs. So while you're managing your prime dime, your time, consider allocating some of it to continuous learning. Whether it's through courses, reading, or hands-on experience, each bit of knowledge you gain is like a coin added to your financial capacity. Just as a wise investor diversifies their portfolio, diversify your learning to increase your earning potential. In this way, you'll not only be financially savvy, but also personally enriched. Number 5. Money can help with problems, but it's not a fix-all. Continuing from the more you learn, the more you can earn, let's discuss the wisdom that money can help with problems, but it's not a fix-all. Think of money as a versatile tool in your toolkit for life's challenges, but it's essential to recognize its limitations. This rule of money is a reminder that while money can provide solutions and make some issues easier to tackle, it doesn't address the root cause of every problem. It's like having a powerful flashlight to navigate in the dark, but it won't make the darkness disappear entirely. Understanding this concept encourages a balanced approach to life and finances. You can appreciate the security and comfort money brings, while also acknowledging that it's not the sole remedy for all life's challenges. Instead, it works best when paired with qualities like resilience, resourcefulness, and problem-solving skills. Number 4. Tired or retired, you decide. Now let's continue to explore the idea of tired or retired, you decide. This phrase is like a signpost on the road of life, reminding us that we have a choice in how we plan for our future. Consider your career as a journey. Tired or retired, you decide is a prompt to actively take the wheel and steer your course. It's much like being at a crossroads where you can opt for a well-prepared and content retirement or continue working until exhaustion sets in. The key here is to emphasize that you have the ability to make choices that will influence your future state, and your financial decisions are at the heart of it. By responsibly managing your finances, learning about retirement options, and making informed choices, you are in control of your destiny. It's akin to selecting a scenic route for your journey instead of merely following a random path. This principle encourages you to be proactive and considerate of your financial well-being. It's a bit like telling you, hey, you've got the reins, so make the journey worthwhile. So whether you envision a tired career or an energetically retired life, the choice is yours, and your current financial decisions play a pivotal role in realizing that future. Number 3. Treat your money like your personal army. Think of your finances as a team of soldiers, with each dollar representing a troop in your command. Treat your money like your personal army suggests that you should allocate your funds with a clear strategy, much like a general directing their troops strategically in a battle. Your money isn't just there to sit idle, it's a resource that can help you achieve your financial objectives. This concept encourages you to use your funds wisely, understanding that each dollar can be deployed for a specific purpose. It's a bit like saying, hey, you're the commander here, and your money is ready to serve you. Plan your financial maneuvers, invest in opportunities, protect your financial interests, and march confidently towards your goals. By viewing your finances as a well-organized and disciplined army, you gain a sense of control and purpose in your financial life. Just as a general has a plan for victory, you should have a plan for financial security and success. Number 2. Rich or just rich in cash? Imagine your finances as a treasure chest. Rich or just rich in cash prompts you to consider whether true wealth is about accumulating a vast amount of money, or if it's something more encompassing. Much like a treasure chest holds various riches, including jewels and precious items, your wealth comprises more than just the dollar bills in your account. This principle encourages you to think about wealth in a broader sense, encompassing not just your financial assets, but also your relationships, experiences, knowledge, and overall well-being. So as you manage your financial army, remember that being rich isn't solely about your cash reserves. It's about the richness of your life as a whole. Just as a treasure chest is valued for its contents, your wealth is defined by everything you possess, from financial assets to life experiences and meaningful relationships. Number 1. Give and receive. That's the deal. Imagine a friendly marketplace where you're both a buyer and a seller. Give and receive. That's the deal highlights that in our financial and personal interactions, it's a cycle of giving and getting. Just as you give your time, effort, or money to others, you also receive in various forms, be it opportunities, gratitude, or support. This concept encourages a balanced approach to your financial journey. Whether it's helping someone in need or investing in your education, these actions are forms of giving that can lead to receiving, whether it's personal growth or future financial returns. By embracing this principle, you foster a sense of interconnectedness and recognize the cyclical nature of life. It's not just about taking or giving, but understanding that both sides of the equation are integral. That's it for today, Luxo lovers. We trust you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and spread the word by sharing. And for those new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the know. Until next time.